Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to list an apartment on Facebook Marketplace. Now if you want to list an apartment on the Facebook Marketplace but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Facebook app on your device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So after that, simply open the Facebook app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Facebook, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very upper taskbar. So from here you just need to click on the option of marketplace, which is at the very bottom taskbar, and from here you just need to click on the option of sale, which is next at the very top left, and click on the option of create listing. So from here you just need to select the option which is property for sale or let, so click on it, and from here you just need to tap on the option of add photos and select the photos of your apartment, and click on the option of title to give a title for it, the price for it, and the properties for the rent, if it is for sale or if it is for rent. Click on the option of properties for rent, and you just need to select the condition and give descriptions for your apartment. Select the locations from here, and you may also add tags to it, and you may simply give SQA, and you may also select the availability if that belongs to a single item or all of it. But if you are doing it for apartment, you just need to simply ignore all of it, and you just need to give a description, the location of it, title, price, and you just need to add photos for it. And after that, click on the option of next, and after clicking on the option of next, if you want to hide the listing from your friends, then you may also click on the option of hide from friends. And after doing all of it, you just need to click on the option of next, and you just need to follow the on-screen instruction, and you'll be able to list the apartment on Facebook Marketplace. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.